This is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm excited to see you today. Today, this tutorial that we're doing is not going to be on YouTube posted. This tutorial will only be on Patreon and on my website. Simple reason is because this is a training video that I'm doing just for you guys. All right, so today we're going to be making some salt. We call them salt rockers, salt sizzlers, aroma rocks. You know, it's so many names for them. I just want to show you guys because I already been making some. This is some nice and pretty. I got some stones in it. This is called pink sugar, and it really looks like pink sugar. So that's what we're getting ready to make. We're going to make these together. You really don't need a whole lot of supplies to make this. You really just need, I did my research, and I also bought like some huge rock crystals, and they were really beautiful, but it was really hard for it to keep the color and also the fragrance. It took super long for it to absorb to the salt. And then I'm just going to go ahead and give it a nice stir. So now we at the point we're just combining the fragrance and the color, and we are determining whether or not this orange is dark enough for us. Because you might want yours like super. When you go to the bottom, you'll start seeing white. So you know that it's combined in when you bringing it all up from the bottom to the top. And that's why I use the big bowls, because I'm able to access everything all at one time. You just kind of keep going, and as you go, just kind of do it like you chopping on it a little bit, just so you can get that salt that had the most color on it incorporated as well. Okay, so this is it. All right. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add me some glitter to mine. And the glitter is not, of course, it's not necessary, it's just optional. I just want to add a little bit of pizzazz to it, okay? Okay, it just brings it out a lot more when it's inside of that jar, and it has those nice little chunky pieces of circle round disc glitter. Okay, that's enough. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and combine that and just make it look sparkly, so I like that. And I probably want to add like a little bit more. All right, so now that we got that nice and combined, you can take this and transfer this to a bowl, or you could put it inside of a tray, on a tray actually, like spread it out on a tray, and you can let it dry that way. I recommend doing it that way because if you put it into your containers right away, you'll see like a little bit of the oil residue on your containers. So this salt absorbs the oil, and you want to just make sure that you get it all the way absorbed before you do that, okay? So let it dry, give it about 24 hours, and then you can package it up. All right? Well, guys, we are finished. This was pretty simple. As you can see, it's nice and pretty. You see that nice, that glitter in there. Oh my God, I love it, I love it, I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this into a bowl and put my lid on it and just let it dry. You can see the oil residue on the sides of the bowl. This is why I wanted to do it in a clear bowl so you can see. That's the oil residue. So I want to let all that oil go into my salt, and then I'm going to go ahead and package it up. All right.